What's up, bros and ghouls? Today I'm going to show you how to create a realistic third-degree burn using Tinsley Transfers 3D FX series. This tutorial is going to be the makeup application only. If you want to learn how to properly apply Tinsley Transfers, check out the video link in the bottom right corner. For a list of products used in this tutorial, check out the video description below. First, I started by sealing the appliance with Nye Final Seal. You can use other sealers like Krylon Fixer Spray as well. Next, I began applying washes of color from the Skin Illustrator Flesh Tone palette. I always use the lightest tone rice paper as a base, using plenty of activator for a more translucent wash. Cover any of the fleshy surface textures, as well as the surrounding skin. I like this small pointed brush to lay the washes down, or stipple it randomly as needed. Avoid dribbling the lighter tone into red wound areas. Next, I applied washes of the natural 1 tone. I stipple as needed for more variation and breakup of color. Once you're satisfied with a basic skin tone, start to include washes of Rose and Olive Adjuster. I mixed the Rose Adjuster with rice paper and natural 1 to achieve a raw-like pink hue. When flesh is burned, it doesn't necessarily look or feel like bacon. Bacon. Hitting the outer wound edges with a lighter tone will highlight the wound itself, adding more depth. Continue stippling maroon and variations of pink to enhance that raw, irritated look. Finally, go in with a series of tan, cedar brown, and black. For this version, I tried to achieve a few crispy bits of skin. Don't go too heavy-handed on the black or brown. They should really be mixed and used subtly with other colors to achieve that charred effect. When the coloring was finished, I decided to apply Vaseline or Petroleum Jelly to the entire piece. This will bring out the moist look of each wound. Ew, did I just say moist? Okay, forget that part. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I have a lot more FX makeup planned for the future, including how to make your own burns and wounds at home for cheap. Feel free to request any looks you want to see. Peace.